Acidic cleaner are used to clean tarnished metal and stains caused by metals. In this video, we will look at where the acidic cleaner work and some safety precautions while using them. Welcome to Clarified Better. This channel is all about helping you grow in your career. If you work in a hotel, you will find this channel very useful. So if you have not already subscribed, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive notification in the future. In this video, we are talking about acidic cleaner used in housekeeping department. They are used for removing stains caused by hard water, rust, restoring tarnished or discolored metal. They can also be used for cleaning tiles and masonry. Different surfaces require different strength or dilution, and it is important to follow the manufacturer's instruction while using the chemicals. Also remember they can be extremely toxic, so wear proper PPE like gloves and eye protection. There are some more rules while using the acidic cleaner. Avoid contact with eyes and skin, and avoid splashing it on other materials. Do not mix acidic cleaner with other chemicals, and always ventilate the area to avoid toxic fumes buildup. As always, while working with chemicals, be aware and focus on your job so that you remain safe. I hope you understood the use and safety precautions while using acidic cleaner. To learn more, do visit clarifiedbetter.com. We have a library of courses on the site to help you with in-depth learning about your department. These courses can help you gain knowledge and advance in your career. So keep learning and grow in your career.